Nowadays, young adults that go into the job market, they always dream to be as rich as possible and to achieve it in the shortest period of time. They start saving. Instead, to be financially free, they spend on vacations, cars, and unnecessary gadgets. Saving is a good habit that will actually determine your futures into achieving your financial goal itself. That's why it's very, very important. Next is also investment. Investment will make your money grow faster. So what can you do? First, you need to invest in yourself first. How to do that? Find some cause that you dream of, that you think that actually can make you financially free. For example, stock investment. For example, build up your professional career's knowledge that actually can value add yourself. So, first thing first, you need to learn first before you earn. Step 2 is invest in stock markets. Stock market is a place that actually can give you a very good returns in the long runs. What is investing in stock market then? Investing in stock market means you buy a certain portion shares of that company, whereby if the company is having profits, they will give you in the form of dividends, a consistent passive income. And if the company manage to grow, right, they are making their expansions in their business itself, then their returns will be in the form of capital gains. Third, you need to diversify your investment portfolio into property or real estate. Real estates, the best part is actually it can become a steady stream of income for you in terms of rental income. So in the long run, on top of the rental income that you are getting, you will also be rewarded with the capital gain in terms of the property value. So at the end of the day, you need to start to invest as early as possible, especially you are in the 20s. Thank you very much. I hope this video will open up your mind how to start invest and start invest early. Like me in the social media platform, Facebook, Instagram and TikTok, and remember to subscribe my YouTube channel. Bye.